Every time I go looking for solid information about DeFi platforms, I basically come up empty. What's out there is either somebody's technical deep dive that loses most people before the first minute is even up, or it's just a promo video with the thumbnail that says "not sponsored" in big letters. Both are kind of a waste of time. And on top of that, the market right now is just not great. Most tokens are grinding sideways or slowly losing ground, and people are understandably cautious. But there are exceptions, and one that's been getting harder to ignore lately is Hyperliquid and everything happening around staking it. I've been at this long enough to spot what's actually solid, so today let me just show exactly how this works in practice. And look, I always want to go through the actual product before saying anything about it, because the way something works day to day is the only honest measure of how seriously it was put together. All right, logging in first. Clicking start. Platform gives a few ways to sign in here using mine. And we're in. Okay, so right at the top, account overview. That's the full picture. HYP in the wallet plus everything accumulated from staking combined into a single number. Scroll down, live APY and daily yield both on main screen without having to dig around for them. And lower down, there's a detailed history of the entire staking period. I'm gonna get into that shortly, but let's keep the order here. All right, so rewards top. This is just a running log of daily accruals. See exactly what came in each day over the past week, laid out cleanly. Okay, so to start a staking position, we go into this panel, enter the amount, and press stake. Transaction clears almost immediately, and their position updated. That's genuinely it. From this point on, everything runs by itself. Rewards come in on their own, nothing to sit and manage manually. All right, I've been running it for quite some time, so there's already a decent amount of rewards stocked up in here, and I want to go through the withdrawal process too, because that's where most questions tend to come up. We moving over to unstake, put in the amount, and press unstake. And okay, done. Just letting the network finalize this now. Tokens should be on my wallet within a few seconds. So while that's processing, let me get into the actual mechanics behind this, because I think most skip this part, and honestly, they're missing something important. Hyperliquid is its own standalone blockchain, and I want to be clear what that actually means. This isn't some protocol layered on top of Ethereum or something else. It was built independently from scratch with trading and on-chain finance as the core use case. And the practical reason that matters is protocols that share infrastructure with other projects also share their bottlenecks. When network gets busy, and it always gets busy eventually, fees climb and everything slows down. Hyperliquid sidestepped all of that by building its own transaction system. And without going too technical, that just means transactions settle in under a few seconds. Now, when Hype gets staked, tokens go to validators. Validators are basically the nodes that run and secure the network, keeping everything on-chain processing smoothly. And as a staker, a share of the trading fees the platform generates comes back as rewards. Hyperliquid moves consistent volume, so that share is actually meaningful. And one detail that's genuinely worth paying attention to, this is fully non-custodial staking. Tokens stay in wallet the whole time. The protocol works with them right there in place. That's a very different situation from setups where tokens get transferred somewhere else, and it comes down to trusting a smart contract to send them back. And that's the thing that ultimately moves the needle for me before committing any real position to it.